Hey everybody, here's the painting from my last video. Um, Not a terribly exciting painting, I'll probably paint over it, but the color shifting paints are pretty cool. You can see the different iridescent quality to them, so that's pretty cool. But as a whole, it would either be good for a background or a do-over. Today I'm doing a mallet smash. Whoa, that's a little too close. There we go. And I've got my colors set out here already. I've got Indian yellow, ARTEZA carmine red, a deep blue, probably mixed with Prussian gray, I'm assuming, and yellow. And this is an older canvas that I didn't like anymore that I painted over, and now I'm gonna pour over it. So let me put my gloves on. I just mixed up a new batch of white paint, so sometimes it's not a great consistency when I first do it. It's a little thin, but we'll see. Oh, it's not too bad. It'll work. It will work. So it is, I believe, Saturday. All my days have run together. As I'm sure a lot of yours have as well. Being stuck inside. So hope everybody is doing well, staying busy. That's the hardest part. I did start a new TV series though. I started, hold on. I'm going to actually screw the lid onto the white because I find I forget to otherwise. I started The Good Doctor, which is a really good show. Let's do 4. No, we'll make this one real busy. Trying to put the caps back on. Alright, now for the carmine red. These haven't been opened in so long. They're crusty. I may oh gosh. No, I'm gonna use the yellow. Well, oh my, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna forgo the yellow. Whoops. I'm gonna do bright aqua green instead. And now for the mystery blue. Okay. All right. Trusty mallet and smash, and smash, and smash, and smash, and smash. Wow, yes. Very cool. Got a big old glob on the floor, which means success. Success, success, until I step in it. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it. Fabulous. There is a lot of paint right here. I'm going to leave it and hope for the best. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Yes. I'm going to leave it. I love the composition of this piece. I love everything about it. I almost just stepped in that paint, so I'm going to give a quick wipe up. There we go. As I come around to get you. I'm so glad I went with the aqua instead of the yellow. Because check out that aqua right there. Very cool. See, I don't want to lose any of this. Got some cool splatters. So there it is as a whole. Pretty happy with it. So thank you so much for watching. And of course, I will catch you all next time. Bye.